yourself. Why is that? Because remember, you cannot pour from an empty pot. Ulitin ko po yun. You cannot pour from an empty pot. Kahit na paano mo kalugin ang kaldero, walang lalabas dyan kung hindi mo yan pinuno. Ibig sabihin, makakapagbigay ka lang kung pinuno mo ang iyong sarili. Makakapagmahal ka lang kung inuna mong minahal ang iyong sarili. No? So if you want to give and give also to yourself. Give first to yourself. Minsan, naawa po ako sa mga ibang OFW, sa mga kababayan po nating nagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa. Bakit? Kasi marami sa kanila, tinitiis, kumakain lang na skyflakes, ng sardinas, tinitiis, hindi masyadong maging magastos sa pagkain para mas madami yung pera mapadala dito sa bansa, dito sa Pilipinas. Hindi po ba? Habang sila nagugutom, yung pamilya nila, nagbo-buffet, nagsasamji, palagi milk tea, palagi kumakain sa labas. Naawa ko sa mga iba, tinitiis yung cellphone nilang sira-sira. Habang dito naman sa Pilipinas, yung pamilya nila naka-iPhone. Yung mga bata palagi ML, Mobile Legend. Nakakaawa na itong mga kababayan po natin nag-overtime, kayod ng kayod. Nasaan yung pamilya nila dito sa Pilipinas? Nakukuha pang maglakwat siya, nakukuha pang magbakasyon. Tinitiis na hindi bumili ng bagong damit. Habang yung mga pamilya nila gusto branded, original yung kanilang sapatos. Meron tayong mga ibang kababayan sa abroad, tinitiis makipagsiksikan, matulog, makisama sa mga kwarto. Ang dami-dami nila doon. Habang dito sa Pilipinas, ang luwang-luwang ng kwarto, naka-aircon pa. Alam niyo po, kung mahal mo ang pamilya mo, walang masama na unahin mong mahalin ang iyong sarili.
Never fucking apologize for being yourself. If people don't like how you act, how you look, how you speak, that just means those aren't your fucking people. Don't change who you are to match your surroundings. Pick better fucking surroundings and be yourself. Never fucking apologize.
My life is simple now. If you reach out, I'll respond. If you go quiet, I'll match that. You check in on me, I'll do the same. I reflect the energy I receive. No chasing, no pressure, no second guessing. I've come to value peace over attention. I don't beg for time, force connections, or disrupt anyone's space. I let things be. I believe in energy, and I return it exactly how it's given. Be real with me, and I'll be loyal without question. But if you play games, act distant, or vanish, I won't argue. I'll take the hint and respect the space. I'm not angry, just done with confusion, mixed messages, and putting in effort alone. These days, I protect my peace above all. No drama, no mind games. If you want me in your life, show it. If not, that's okay too. I won't beg or demand answers. I used to overthink everything. Now, I just accept and move on. It's not about ego, it's about peace. I've stopped trying to revive what's already over. Respect and communication matter. Effort always speaks louder than talk. If you want to be treated right, show up right. Because I match what I get, nothing more, nothing less. My life is